Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on the 2022 CF Moto 650 NK. And like I mentioned in a previous video, this is actually a friend's motorcycle and he recently changed his battery and for whatever reason the language on the dash panel reset to Spanish. So I thought I'd make this quick video just to help anyone out in the same situation. So obviously to change language we're going to have our dash on and our ignition on and let it load up. And then once it's loaded, we're going to use these 4 buttons down this left hand side here. We've got up, enter, return and down, and we're going to hold enter in for a couple of seconds. And that takes us to this menu. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to settings and then hit enter. And then we're going to scroll all the way down again until we get to language. And then we've opened up the language there and we can toggle between Spanish and English. Now this will change depending on which country you're in, but obviously we're going to leave this on English, then hit enter, and then we can just go return, takes us back to this screen and we're good to go. So there we go. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.